Hello, this is Jeffrey Lee, and we're going to talk about communication with Seesaw. If you have a student in kindergarten through third grade, they will be able to use Seesaw. And if your teacher uses Seesaw, you'll be able to communicate with them, hear announcements, and see student work. So let's get into it. First, if you get sent an email where they have attached your student name or your email to your student name, you will get this sort of email right here. It says they've invited you, your teacher has invited you to a journal, and you can press connect to the journal. Once you press connect to the journal, it will show up like this. You can log in with Google or you can sign up if you want. Seesaw is totally voluntary, so you don't have to sign up at all. But if you want to communicate, you can sign up here or with Gmail or Microsoft right there. I'm going to show another little version here, another little way that you will get things. So sometimes you will get a link from your um, you will get a link from your teacher, so you can paste the link right in. And when you paste the link, you will get the same type of page. But this time, you will get a list of student names and you will pick your child. That's just how Seesaw works. So I'm going to go ahead and pick my child and press OK. And then I have to go and do the login part. The third way that you will get access possibly is through a QR code. If you get this QR code, then you can scan it, but you see the link is there as well. So this might be sent home with your student. It all takes you roughly to the same place. You go ahead and create an account if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and press Google and sign in with my home account so I can see. So the thing is, anytime you are invited, you still have to be approved. So it will tell you a little bit of information, and then on my end, as a teacher, I can now approve it. So I'll show you in real time how easy this can be. So I'm going to approve. All right, perfect. And now I'm going to refresh this screen. So I approved it as a teacher. And now here I go. There aren't any posts, but that's okay. So you'll see a bunch of stuff here. So if there are any assignments, you will be able to see the assignments. Depending on access, you may be able to comment on assignments. You may be able to like assignments. You may be able to look through journals and interact with some of the assignments. But it's really up to how the teacher is teaching and what access they have turned on. There is a home where you can see journals, and then there's journals, and right here you can see I have Violet's journal right there. There's also some notifications that says that it is approved. Now, overall, though, the coolest part about being a parent and being in the Seesaw app, and by the way, now I can just go straight to seesaw.com or app.seesaw.me, and I can log in with my account that I use to sign in, and I can always get here. So there's a literal portal where you can go in and interact. But if I go up to messages, if this is turned on, I will see a few things. The first thing I'll see is announcements. Announcements go directly from the teacher to everybody in that class. So it's not like a space where you can go back and forth. It's not a little chat area. If you want to reply, you can view message info. You can put a little emoji. Everybody sees the little emojis you put. If you reply privately, you'll reply in your own message to the teacher. The only thing you can do in messages is get announcements, or if you press this button right here, you can click hear your child's teacher or other family members attached. You can press next, and now you can send messages to the teacher. So I'll send hello, and then as a teacher on my end, I will send a message back so you can see how that looks. Hi there. And there you go. Right there, you'll see it right there, and you can do all your reactions. Another piece of this is you can press the plus button. You can add a photo, a drawing, video, a link, a note. You can upload things as a parent. This actually may be using the same infrastructure that kids use when they do assignments. So if I go to photo, allow, let's see, there we go. So I can send this. And then as a parent, you can do fun things like draw on it. You can record, you can put text. This is the infrastructure that all students have. So if you want to kind of see the platform itself, Seesaw, and see what kind of interactivity is there, you can see it from here, right from here. When you're done, you can go to the checkbox and you can attach that to a message. So I'm going to go ahead and send it. Now your teacher can, the teacher can see that. So it's just a little fun piece that adds to the messaging back and forth. But if you have any other questions or if you're having difficulty getting to any part of Seesaw, please reach out to your teacher and ask for one of those 3 methods, either the invite link to invite you directly via email, or using the QR code, which your students will probably bring home. And then you can talk to the teacher, they can talk to you, and you can see announcements for the class. Everybody uses these programs differently, so one teacher may use it differently from the next teacher. So hope you enjoyed this, and feel free to reach out to your teacher with more information if you need it. Thanks.